We're at Barlow's Park, home of Tadley Caliver Football Club, where Spirit Energy has just finished installing a 25 kilowatt solar system on the roof. I'm with Joe from Barlow's Park Management Association. And Joe, why have you decided to get the solar system here at Barlow's Park?
Because we are a community facility and we're totally run by volunteers.
Yep.
We operate on a shoestring basically. Our energy bills were skyrocketing. We spend about £12,000 a year at the moment on both gas and electricity. We're classed as a business, so we have to pay huge standing charges. So we needed to reduce those bills. We're also very community minded and want to help our environment, so we want renewables as well. So we investigated the possibility of getting a grant with the Borough Council. The Community Infrastructure Fund gave us some money last year to put the solars on the roof this year. We're now looking for a second grant, hopefully, to put the gas boilers, to replace them with ones that can take the power from the solar. Basically, we've got nowhere to go. We need to be sustainable, and therefore we're doing this because that is a really good option.
Okay, and I want to ask how you found the install process, how you found the design process.
Well, I wouldn't be using Spirit Solar if I wasn't happy that they were the best people to give us a quote. We chose them. Obviously, we had other options, so we chose them. The staff have been absolutely fantastic. Everything that we've asked of them, they've done. I found everybody really helpful. Despite having to come back every morning here at 8 o'clock for a few weeks to let people in, everybody has been really good, and we've had no complaints whatsoever about the business. So we're quite happy to recommend them to others. I have done. I recommended them somebody I was talking to who wanted to convert, put solars on a roof of a very old community centre in a village a bit further away, and I said, well, you know, I would recommend that you go to them. So I'm quite happy to recommend other people on personal experience, and I'm not just saying that because obviously you know, we're hoping to get anything more out of you. You've delivered it, we pay you now, and that's it, but that's fine.
Brilliant. I'm really pleased to hear that. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you very much, Tom.